Turmeric, the golden spice of life for curry lovers, is also a multi-purpose powerful spice just waiting to be unleashed in your life in ways you might have never thought of. Sure, we all know its anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting perks, but did you know turmeric has a ton of creative, unexpected uses that go way beyond spicing up your favorite dishes? Let's dive into these 20 genius hacks or ways to use turmeric that might just blow your mind. And let us know in the comments if you've ever tried any of these hacks, or if you have your own creative ways to use turmeric. We'd all love to know and learn from each other. Hack number 1, turmeric face mask for a face glow-up. Forget about expensive skincare products. Your secret weapon for radiant skin might already be in your pantry. Because turmeric is anti-inflammatory and antibacterial, it can work wonders for fighting acne, reducing redness, and evening out your skin tone. To make a do-it-yourself turmeric face mask, you'll need 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix these into a paste, apply to your face, and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before washing off. Be warned, though, that turmeric can stain, so don't wear your favorite white shirt while applying it. Hack number 2, teeth whitening. Yes, really. It might sound counterintuitive to use a yellow spice to whiten your teeth, but turmeric's antibacterial compounds help fight plaque and stains. Just mix a small amount of turmeric powder with water or coconut oil to create a paste. Brush your teeth with it, let it sit for a minute, and then rinse thoroughly. Follow up with your regular toothpaste. Hack number 3, golden latte elixir. Move over, coffee. The golden turmeric latte is here to warm your soul and boost your health. This soothing drink helps reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and calm your mind before bedtime. Use 1 cup milk, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon cinnamon, and a pinch of black pepper to enhance turmeric absorption. You can add honey to taste. Heat everything in a saucepan, whisk until frothy, and enjoy the relaxation. Hack number 4, heals wounds. Turmeric is a natural antiseptic and antibacterial agent, making it great for minor cuts, scrapes, and burns. Just mix turmeric powder with a little coconut oil to form a paste and apply it to the affected area. It not only helps prevent infection, but also speeds up healing. Hack number 5, turmeric hair mask. If you're dealing with dandruff or a dry scalp, turmeric might be the answer. Turmeric helps soothe irritation and promotes scalp health because it helps fight fungus and inflammation. You can make a homemade hair mask by mixing 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons coconut oil, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Massage this mixture into your scalp, leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, and then shampoo as usual. Hack number 6, stain buster for skin. Weirdly enough, turmeric can help remove stains from your skin. If your hands are stained from chopping beets or handling berries, make a paste with turmeric and lemon juice, rub it over the stains, and rinse. Turmeric saves the day again. Hack number 7, natural food coloring. Need to add a pop of yellow to your baked goods, eggs, sauces, or even rice? Skip the artificial food dyes and use turmeric instead. A small pinch goes a long way in creating vibrant, natural colors without any chemicals. Hack number 8, deodorant. Turmeric can even fight odors and makes an effective and natural deodorant. Just mix a pinch of turmeric with baking soda and coconut oil. It's chemical-free and surprisingly effective. Just don't apply too much, or you'll risk a yellow-tinged underarm situation. Hack number 9, joint pain relief. If you've got achy joints, turmeric can help ease the discomfort. Make a turmeric paste with warm water and apply it to sore areas. Wrap the area with a cloth and let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. Its anti-inflammatory properties work wonders for arthritis sufferers. Hack number 10, turmeric ice cubes. This one's for skincare enthusiasts. Freeze turmeric mixed with aloe vera gel or green tea into ice cubes. Use them to massage your face for a refreshing anti-inflammatory treatment that can reduce puffiness and brighten your skin. Hack number 11. Keep bugs at bay. Turmeric is a natural insect repellent. Sprinkle turmeric powder around areas where you notice ants or other pests creeping in. For mosquitoes, mix turmeric powder with coconut oil and apply it to exposed skin to ward them off naturally. Hack number 12. Tummy trouble tea. If you're feeling bloated or dealing with an upset stomach, turmeric tea can be a lifesaver. Boil some water with turmeric, ginger, and a dash of honey for a soothing remedy that aids digestion and calms your belly. Hack number 13. Fabric dyeing fun. Feeling crafty? Turmeric can be used as a natural dye for fabric. Boil turmeric in water, then soak a white or light-colored fabric in the solution. It's perfect for creating unique, eco-friendly designs. Hack number 14. Anti-aging booster. Add a pinch of turmeric to your smoothies for an antioxidant-rich boost that helps combat signs of aging. Pair it with ingredients like mango, pineapple, or banana to mask the earthy taste. Your skin will look glorious. Hack number 15. Foot scrub. Our feet are one of the most important parts of our body. They carry us through life, day in and out, yet are often ignored. Let's give our feet the tender, loving care they deserve. Create a rejuvenating foot scrub with turmeric, sugar, and coconut oil. It exfoliates, soothes, and leaves your feet feeling soft and pampered. Hack number 16. Turmeric-infused oil. Make your own turmeric-infused oil for cooking or skincare. Heat olive or coconut oil with a bit of turmeric, strain it, and store it in a jar. Use it to cook veggies, drizzle on salads, or apply as a massage oil. Hack number 17. Animal pet health. Turmeric isn't just for humans. Your furry friends can benefit too. Sprinkle a small amount into your pet's food to help with inflammation or joint pain. Of course, check with your vet first. Hack number 18. Turmeric soap. Take your turmeric obsession to the next level by making your own soap. Mix turmeric powder into a melt and pour soap base for a beautiful, naturally golden bar that's great for your skin. Hack number 19. In the kitchen. Mix turmeric powder with water to create a natural spray that slows down the ripening process of fruits like bananas and avocados. This hack can help extend their shelf life. A dash of turmeric can also elevate any soup or broth, adding a warm, earthy flavor while sneaking in its health benefits. Try it in chicken soup or lentil stew for an added kick. Hack number 20. Soothes a sore throat. Turmeric and honey work well for soothing a scratchy throat. Mix them into a paste and take a spoonful as needed or dissolve it into warm water for a comforting drink. Who knew turmeric could do all this? From beauty hacks to health fixes, this golden spice is truly a jack of all trades. With these genius ideas, you'll never look at turmeric the same way again. So what are you waiting for? Go grab that jar of turmeric and start experimenting. And be sure to watch this video next for more health and lifestyle lemon hacks. Thanks for watching.